What's happening, YouTube? It's Mr. London Plumber. Appreciate you guys coming on and watching these videos. I wouldn't mind if you subscribed, if you liked, and you just shared it, and check out my bio as well, because you can see my Instagram page where I post a lot more content.
It's a London thing.
What's happening, people? So another toilet. So this toilet is a dual flush toilet. What does dual mean? Dual means two. So you've got two flush buttons, number one, number two. Yeah? Take it how you want it. When you flush the toilet, let's just try the first one. You get a flush. Just let it fill up for a second. Right, we're back. So when I push the number two, it seems to go in quite a lot. Let's look behind it because you can't see anything from here. Before we look behind the panel, and I'll show you what is the problem, because I know what it is. There's two plastic tubes which link onto both of these, which push air down and push the flow up. So I can feel that there's nothing pushing it there. I know there's something pushing it there. You can feel that bit of air pushing back on you. So let's get opening it. Always have yourself one of these keys. And there is the culprit, right there. So these tubes can come off sometimes. I think you can see it just there. So let me try and put it on and hold the camera. Can be a bit fiddly, but gets you good for like game shows and stuff like that. Plumbers, I think, will be really good for game shows. Yeah, because you've had to put your hands in fiddly places. Hope you guys can see there that they're both on. So there's the second one. And this is the toilet system at the back. This is the tank. So what will happen is when the toilet actually flushes, there's this part here will lift up and let all the water out of the toilet.